ProStart is really a business curriculum through the lens of hospitality. It sets participants up for success. They really build a skill set in ProStart that can take them into the beginning of their careers confidently.
I don't think that there is another program that prepares students as well as ProStart does for any career. Being able to have the confidence to speak in front of people and to be a part of a team in the kitchen, those are going to transfer to any career that they choose.
It's such a great class to you just learn an essential life skill. I made a really good friends through ProStart that even after the class we still hang out.
Everyone's really encouraging. I love my team, and especially working with the chef mentors, it makes it really easy for everyone to get along.
Students come into my classroom not knowing each other at all, and we really kind of become a family. It's the coolest thing to be able to see.
What I've learned from ProStart students is they bring a new, young energy to the restaurants. It's really fun to see these young kids come in eager and excited and open to learning everything.
My students have taught me to be a little bit more go with the flow.
I've learned how to manage stress a lot better, I think, and manage time, of course.
I've learned to really think on my feet, really just working with what do I have, seeing what pairs together.
Our job as the Colorado Restaurant Foundation is really to create aha moments, to get students to look at this industry and say, yes, this is for me. And we cannot do that without the support of the industry, of the partners that have invested in us, and of donors, honestly, that help us bring that to life. What we really hope for from ProStart students leaving this program is that they have options to very confidently land a job no matter where their career is going to take them.
My dream job is to own a bakery.
My dream job is to hopefully own my own restaurant someday and make some other people happy with my food.
It helps create those future leaders. They come in with some experience, some knife skills, how a kitchen and a restaurant operates, which is super helpful.
It is really cool to see them rise to the occasion and just work as a team, but also independently.
I would recommend kids joining ProStart. It gives them a nice pathway to the industry.
I would definitely recommend ProStart.